If you're trying to automate your emails with AWeber, but don't want to waste hours figuring it out, this video will save you time. I'll quickly walk you through how AWeber's automations work, point out what's great, what's frustrating, and, most importantly, show you a better alternative at the end with an exclusive free trial. AWeber's automation system is based on campaigns, which are sequences of emails that get triggered by actions, like signing up for a newsletter or clicking a link. You create these inside the campaign section under automations. Unlike more advanced tools, AWeber keeps it simple, sometimes too simple, so if you need deep customization, you might hit some limits. Next, when setting up an automation, you can choose between tag-based triggers or list-based triggers. Tag-based automations are flexible, letting you add subscribers to different sequences depending on their behavior. List-based triggers are more rigid, requiring users to be in a specific list to get an automation. If you want true segmentation, this is where AWeber feels a bit outdated compared to competitors. Now, inside the campaign editor, you'll add steps like send an email, wait, apply a tag, or remove a tag. This is where the simplicity of AWeber becomes both a strength and a weakness. It's easy to use, but lacks conditional branching, meaning you can't create complex if-then automations. For example, if someone opens an email but doesn't click, you can't send a different follow-up without adding manual workarounds. Another thing worth noting is AWeber's automation analytics. You can see basic open rates and click rates, but if you need deep insights, like revenue tracking or customer behavior based on automations, you'll probably find it lacking. Now, here's the thing, AWeber does the job for beginners who just need a simple automation setup. But if you're serious about email marketing, need better segmentation, or want true automation flexibility, there are better options. That's why I've added an exclusive and extended free trial to a more powerful alternative in the description. I've also listed other solid options if you're looking for something even more advanced. Use the links below to get the best trial and features that aren't available anywhere else.